spiciest challenge on YouTube. We're going from 5,000 Scovilles, which is just a normal jalapeno that everybody eats on the daily, to 9 million right over here.
Oh, I said I was just coming to visit.
And I said I don't like spicy food.
Well, that's what happens whenever your friend's a YouTuber. So let's get it. Are you excited?
Fuck no.
Your toilet could possibly be bloody as fuck. No, for real. All right, now the only thing is, we're gonna try to run through all of these 9 levels without water, milk, and ice cream. If you need safety, if you just need to go back to your little warm place and just, you know, feel secure, you're good. You gotta jump into the pool if you go for one of these right here. I'm gonna go through all 9 like nothing. You got it?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
How are we jumping in the pool though?
Naked, just with all your clothes.
Without the clothes.
With all your clothes.
Without your clothes.
Full clothes in the pool if you go for that right there.
Full clothes.
Oh, it's cold, right?
Yeah.
Cute.
Okay, deal. Let's get to it. Let's go to level 1. Your average jalapeno has a Scoville number of 5,000, which is nothing at all. So let's all grab one and take a nice little bite out of this right here. Boom, go.
Bite heads.
A la madre, I need to poo.
No, not yet. That was nothing. Everybody just eats jalapenos like that. Come on, they serve them everywhere. It's no big deal. Next up is level 2. It's the bulldog Japanese ramen. I don't know. They're just noodles. So let's all dig inside of this one right here. Here's a fork for you. Here's a fork for you, and a fork for me. Safe to say this is 10,000. So we just doubled up.
Safe to say, this entire challenge is not safe to say.
It is actually not safe, guys. So don't try this at home. But 5,000, we just doubled up to 10,000. All right, ready, guys? Go. Oh my God, bro. It's on the tip of my tongue, bro. Inside of my ears itch. Oh my, that was only level 2, bro.
I'm gonna get a water. Just like moisturize my mouth.
You can't get any. Let's double up again. 20,000 Scovilles to level 3. It's a Serrano Pepper. And I'm getting the spicy one. Okay, this is actually, look, it looks closer to the next level. Hey, someone do this one with me, please. It's kind of orangey, it's getting there. Serrano Pepper. That was only level 3. I'm not kidding, guys. Like, no, for. Like, I feel it all over my mouth. It's getting hot. Bro, you good? Are you good?
Hey, what chili, you're dying, Willie.
Get out of here, bro.
They're orange, bro.
Hey, you sure you're good?
We're not kidding, bro. They're orange.
Okay, let's keep going.
You guys do have in mind that this is only level 3, right?
If we keep procrastinating like this, we're not gonna get there.
The room is definitely warmer now. That was 20,000, right? 20,000 Scovilles?
Are we doubling again?
Nope.
Tripling?
Nope.
Quadrupling?
I know. We're at 250,000 Scovilles with a habanero now. He's already ready. We're at 250,000 Scovilles. 1, 2.
Hey,
Nah, hey, bite into it.
You need the seeds. Get the seeds.
Yeah. I already bite. I'm not gonna bite double, bro. You bit twice? Why'd you bite twice?
What do you do?
I fucking swallowed that shit.
I think it's only fair we go on to the next one. Number 4 wasn't as bad.
That one looks fucking scary, way.
This though, that's a scorpion pepper, guys. That's how much Scoville?
500,000.
100,000.
1.5 million. On the box it said touch with gloves.
Really?
Yes, so grab from here.
Oh.
Nah, wait up.
Buy more?
Yes. No way. No, bro, if you don't feel that one, you're fucking like, you're God, bro. Oh my. Bro, what? Oh.
Orange, way.
No way, Victor.
Huh?
You don't feel it?
His brother's trying to kick him.
I'm not even kidding, bro. I feel the heat inside of me. I'm getting dizzy. No joke. Hey, bro, you can't. How do I even get to the next level? Like, we're on what, level 5? Yeah, I know. How do I even introduce the next one? I can't even talk. Now we got level 6. If you've ever heard of Dave's Hot Chicken, this is the spiciest sandwich that's on their menu. It's not even on their menu. Like, you have to pre-order this. You have to order this. I'm gonna take a bite out of this one right here. I'll be the first one. Oh my God, look at this, guys. This is 2 million Scovilles. Oh!
Nah.
Bro, instant. Oh, go bite. Oh no, Victor, are you okay? Oh, did you see Victor's bites? Victor, you're getting red.
Oh, really?
No, yeah.
Like the penis?
No. Dude, you're getting as red as this. No, for real. Oh, it hurts. Bro, this hurts my tongue. Like, it's just grabbing onto my tongue. How? I don't get it. Okay, but the spiciness. You get how this guy just takes like 4 bites out of a freaking 2 million Scoville sandwich. Like what? No way, Victor. There's no way, bro. He wanted to take a bite out of it because Victor made it seem like it was nothing. Now, he kind of regrets it. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? You're supposed to be recording. You guys, he took a bite out of the Dave's hot chicken. Skipped so many levels though. How is it?
What was that, number 6?
Yeah.
I jumped right into it. I was fucking hungry though.
Level 7 is the one and only one chip challenge. This is a new one for 2023. We're gonna have to eat the entire chip though. It's not 1 bite, it's not 2 bites, the entire chip. And at the end, you could probably hold this like this and say, I slay. It's not even good for your system, bro. Oh my God.
How was it? I need water.
That way. I'm jumping in the pool, bro.
Does this look bad to you? Does this look bad to you?
How are you okay? Oh my God. Honestly, I don't know if I can go on to the next one. We're probably gonna skip level 8 and go straight into level 9. Maybe back to normal, but like my stomach actually hurts, bro. Not for real. I was thinking of it, I'm like, if I need to tell these guys to take me to like hospital, I fucking will, bro, because they haven't got you.
So like me, way, I'm not, my esophagus is not closed, way, so it just goes like.
Nah. Right before I said, dude, that's like God's sign right there. Cause bro, as soon as I got the little nitro, I was like, I'm gonna do this shit. And boom, dude, open it up. You only need to consume 1 square, seriously, or 1 gummy.
Hey bro, it has 1.5 fats, dude.
We skipped all the way to level 9. This is the final one. There's no way I could do this, guys. My freaking stomach hurt. Bro, there's no way I could go on. There's really no way. 9 million Scovilles, guys. It's 9 million Scovilles for either this piece of chocolate right here or that gum that that gummy bear that Victor's just manhandling. Let's go, Victor. Wait, what?
Nah.
What? Isn't that crazy? Nah, man, so we hell no. I put that in my mouth, never again. I didn't end up good. My stomach feels horrible. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just trying to like not say anything. This guy took one for the team. I fucking appreciate you, bro. Like 9 million Scovilles, and you went through like 15 other ones. That was insane. Thank you, Victor, for taking one for like the entire team. This guy deserves some other type of pain.
Nah, yo le pere también.
Huh?
Yo le pere. Yo también
Bitch.
lo muerdo.
Fucking do it. All right, go. Oh, bite the chocolate and then spit out. That does it. We are gonna have to do the punishment. We're gonna have to go jump in the pool. So you'll probably see like a little clip of us jumping in the pool. But at this point, I just wanna go jump into the pool. But thank you guys for watching. That's been it for me. I'm Marty Blends, and I'm out. Peace.